Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. This year, the Office of the Vice President marks a momentous milestone, 90 years of dedicated public service to the Filipino nation. Since its establishment in 1935, this office has been a pillar of Philippine democracy, transforming challenges into opportunities for impactful grassroots service. Bawat pangalawang pangulo ay naglayag sa kani-kanilang natatanging panahon at hamon. Mula sa pagbangon, pagkatapos ng digmaan, hanggang sa mga krisis at revolusyon. At bawat isa sa pamamagitan ng personal na dedikasyon ay pinalawak ang kakayahan at mandato ng tanggapang ito. Pinatunayan nila na ang tunay na kapangyarihan ay nakakamit sa pamamagitan ng serbisyo publiko. Bilang pagpupugay sa kanilang kontribusyon, inaanyayahan namin kayong makibahagi at isapuso ang kasaysayang ito. Bisitahin ang aming mga pop-up exhibits sa mga pangunahing lungsod sa buong bansa upang saksihan ang mga kwento, dokumento at artifacts na nagpapakita ng hindi matatawarang kontribusyon ng ating mga dating pangalawang pangulo. Our 90th anniversary celebration is a launchpad for the future. We are laying the foundational groundwork to ensure the Office of the Vice President remains strong, stable, and effective for the next century. We are actively working toward realizing three critical goals. First, the OVP Museum, a dedicated space to permanently preserve and showcase the history, artifacts, and enduring legacy of the Vice Presidency for future generations of Filipinos. Second, a permanent OVP office, a stable, dedicated headquarters to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure uninterrupted, accessible service delivery regardless of administration. Lastly, the OVP Charter, a legislative initiative to formally define the mandate, functions, and capacity of the Office of the Vice President, ensuring that the authority earned through 90 years of service is constitutionally recognized and supported. These initiatives are our commitment to democratic institution building. Strengthening this office will allow us to serve you better, more efficiently, and with greater impact. Join us in this momentous celebration and share your hope for the future of the Office of the Vice President. Sama-sama nating ipagdiwang ang 70 taon ng serbisyo ng tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo. Magtulungan tayong itaguyod ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.